Hello viewers, this is Nima. In this video, I will be showing you how to make a movie intro. Before we proceed, you need to have the movie intro application. Get it in the Google Play Store, or you go to Apple Store if you are using an iPhone. Now search for movie intro.
في غمرة بهجتنا هنو يلا اللي تحبون في حزتها الأعياد وش باقي غير الأعياد في غمرة بهجتنا هنو يلا اللي تحبون في حزتها الأعياد وش باقي غير الأعياد والعيد شرف بالحب الله يحيي ما دمنا مع بعضنا دامت مساعيد والعيد شرف بالحب الله يحيي ما دمنا مع بعضنا دامت مساعي دامت مساعي.
So here we go. This has lots of cool ready-made templates that you can just edit. As a promotion, it has new, it has 2D, it has 3D. All you need to do is just download any of this and edit it to your taste. Isn't this awesome? All you need to do is edit.
والعيد شرف بالحب الله يحيي ما دمنا مع بعضنا دامت مساعي والعيد شرف بالحب الله يحيي ما دمنا مع بعضنا دامت مساعي دامت مساعي.
You can now add music.
كلمتان حبيبتان إلى الرحمن حانوا على النوانة فرحة عيد فيه تزيد وتتفاخر في كيانه وتتفاخر في كيانه.
And export. That's all. You can export as normal HD or full HD. So that is all. Your movie intro has been saved. You can now share it to your project. So let's preview this now. You just tap on it to preview it.
كلمتان حبيبتان إلى الرحمن.
That is all for today. See you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.
ضيف أحبابنا نور واللي غايب النادى كل الضحكة الحلوة علي الصوت بزيادة.